read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers. How are you? Me, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. What are the learning outcomes of number 6? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 6. Order and sequence numbers to 6. Here are some balls. Let's count with me. You have to say to the students. First of all, we will develop the sense to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could use different kind of things, like you could use different students, 6 girls, 6 boys, 6 lights from your class. Okay? After developing the sense of counting, we will visualize number 6. They will recognize and they will try to trace it. How to trace number 6. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.